The Cuisinart 5730M-14NV 14cm mini square fry pan is a small but mighty kitchen tool. It's navy blue, and it looks quite stylish. This pan is perfect for cooking small meals. Think single-serving omelets or frying a few eggs. Its square shape gives it a unique look. Plus, it can sometimes fit better on smaller stovetops. The Cuisinart 5730M-14NV 14cm mini square fry pan could be a great addition to your kitchen if you often cook for 1 or 2 people. It feels sturdy in your wrist, and cleanup is usually a breeze. This Cuisinart 5730M-14NV 14cm mini square fry pan is also quite versatile for its size. You can use it for more than just eggs. Consider sautéing a handful of vegetables or warming up leftovers. It's like having a little helper in the kitchen. While it won't replace your larger pans for big family meals, it certainly fills a specific need. Many users find it ideal for quick and easy cooking tasks. This Cuisinart 5730M-14NV 14cm mini square fry offers a good cooking experience for small portions. Overall, the Cuisinart 5730M-14NV 14cm mini square fry pan is a handy little pan. It's well made and designed for convenience. If you are looking for a small, non-stick pan for those smaller cooking uses, this could be a good choice. It won't break the bank, and it performs its job well. It's a simple tool that can make your cooking a little easier, and it might just become one of your go-to pans for those quick meals. Pros: easy handle, dishwasher safe, warranty, durable steel, navy color, small size, heats fast. Easy cleanup. Cons: thin metal feel, not induction compatible, color may chip, only good for small portions. Might not fit all burners well, handle could be too short for some, square shape limits rolling food, only one review with 1-star features. Non-stick, navy color, alloy steel, dishwasher safe, silicone handle, induction ready, even heating, easy cleanup. This Cuisinart mini square fry pan is small, measuring 14 centimeters, and comes in a navy blue color. It is made of alloy steel and has a non-stick surface, which makes it easy to cook without food sticking and simple to clean afterward. You can even put it in the dishwasher. The handle is made of silicone, so it's comfortable to hold. This pan can be used on induction stovetops and heats food evenly. This small, navy blue Cuisinart square pan heats up quickly and is easy to clean because it's dishwasher safe. It's made of strong steel and has a warranty. However, it's only good for cooking small amounts of food and might not sit well on all stove burners. Some people might find the handle too short, and the square shape isn't ideal for rolling food. One person who reviewed it gave it only 1 star, and the color might chip off. Plus, it won't work on induction stoves and feels like thin metal.